everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the September BoxyCharm for 2019. I am super excited. I know last month for August we did not do a review. I did receive a BoxyCharm, but I've been so busy, and that has been the month where I've been uploading the least since I kind of like restarted like back in June. So I'm sorry about that, but there are some products that I will be using from my August BoxyCharm, so I will be mentioning that here and there. But today is all about the September BoxyCharm, so if you guys are interested in what look I'll be creating, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, so here she is. I just received this earlier this week. It is an all access themed, so it's like lights, camera, action, and I really think that's pretty cool. So just a quick rundown of everything that we have. We have a Violet Voss eyeshadow palette, $1 Billion Brows product, Hank and Henery eyeliner, a 5-piece Deluxe Eye Kit from Moda Pro, and lastly we have a recovery sleeping mask. So that's interesting. I'm going to do my makeup routine the way I normally would with these products specifically, and as I'm going through each one, I'm going to then present to you guys the retail price and a quick description of everything that is written down here. So yeah, let's get started. So the first product I'm going to go in with is this product right here, which is the $1 Billion Brows Brow Pen. And this is the Microblade Effect brow pen. This brow pen mimics the look of actual brow hairs to get a great microbladable effect without the blade. And it retails for about $18. So I'm going to try to use this real quick and let's see how it works. So as a cool tip, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's pretty unique. And I can see how it can mimic actual hair strokes. I normally, when doing my brows, I use a powder or a dip brow. So this right here, a pen, is going to be something completely different. So first impression right off the bat is that it looks super dark on my skin tone, but I think I can make it work. Like, I don't really have a huge problem with it, but you can definitely tell that it's pretty dark. Alright guys, so I finished the brows, as you can see, but this brow gave me some difficulty. This is why I think I prefer to use dip brow or powder, preferably powder more than over the two, simply because I can get into the bald spots that I have in here. This eyebrow is super stubborn, so working with a pen that kind of just glides over the same spot, and then as it's gliding it erases. That's kind of what happened here, so it is like literally enhancing the bald spot there, but it is what it is. We're going to clean it up with some concealer because I don't think it's that bad. And today's concealer is the Master Conceal from Maybelline, and I'm just going to conceal my lids as well as my brows. Okay, so now that I've concealed my lids and my brows, we are going to set that in place, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. So next, now that our eyes are set, we are going to go in with the Violet Voss-Essentials Pro Series palette. And when I first saw this palette, I was absolutely obsessed because look at all these colors. This screams fall, a little bit more on the festive side of fall, but it is definitely autumn, and I love that. We are also going to be using these brushes. Might I add that these brushes right here have a really cool aesthetic to it. They look absolutely beautiful, super aesthetically pleasing. The bristles feel super soft, and a plus to this product is that right over here literally feels like a nice grip. So I really like that because I notice that sometimes when I do my makeup that it almost feels like, because I'm applying foundation on my hands, concealer on my hands, whatever you name it, and then I grab the brush, it almost feels like it's slipping off my hands. And with this, it doesn't look like that would happen. So I'm very happy about that. So we're going to be using these 5 brushes here and this palette to create a nice fall themed makeup look. So before moving on, this palette over here retails for $29 and the brush set retails for $27.95. So that's pretty good if you ask me. I'm first going to go in with the crease brush, which is this brush right here, and I'm going to take the shade Sand, which is this one right here. Next, I'm going to go in with the detailed brush. It is a more tapered brush, and we're going to go in with the shade Dusty Rose. Next, I'm going to go in with the smudger brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Cinnamon. Now with my ring finger, I'm going to take the shade Cream and put it on my inner corner and the first part of my lid. Now I'm going to take the line brush, which is just an angled brush, and I'm going to take the shade Gold to kind of add some gold to it. And I'm going to add it to the center. I must say that this brush right here, which is the crease brush, is my favorite out of the 5, just because it moves so easily. It's not stiff, it's perfect. I just love it. So basically what I'm doing now, I'm trying to flare out the shade a little bit more, trying to diffuse it up a little bit as well, and we're going to do the same thing on this side. So next we're going to go in with the Hank and Henery eyeliner, and I'm just going to do a wing. I don't know what kind of wing I'm going to do yet, but hopefully it's not too thin or too thick. I must say that this eyeliner is super easy to work with. I love how it glides. I don't usually put liquid liner or a wing at all on my eyes, like ever. I used to do it all the time because I was really good at it and I had a really great product, but then I got other products, they wore out, and yeah, so I'm really happy that this works, and I'm happy I created a nice wing. So let's try to do the same thing on this side. Okay, so like I said, I really like the liquid liner. I think I went on a more dramatic wave for this liner, but it is what it is. I'm happy with how it turned out. Now we're going to work on lashes. Now, just like I said in the intro, there are some products that I will be mentioning in today's video that were brought to me from my August BoxyCharm, and this mascara is definitely that. This is the Tarte Big Ego mascara. This came in my August BoxyCharm, and let me tell you guys, I'm obsessed with it. I love when mascaras elongate your lashes as opposed to just coating them, and this one does just that. Next, I'm going to apply some lashes. These are the Andrea lashes. They're from the drugstore, and I really do like them because they're super lightweight, they're very fluffy, and it really can help oomph your eyeshadow look. Alright guys, I am back. I decided that after I put on my lashes, I would finish off my face makeup, considering that there is no products in the BoxyCharm related to face makeup besides the mask. So going back in with the palette, we are going to go with the shade Terracotta, which is like a nice orangey shade, which is right here. And we're going to be using the brush named Shade. With the same brush, I'm going to take the shade Black, and I'm going to smoke out the bottom a little bit more. Next, I'm going to apply some mascara, same mascara as we used at the top lashes. We're going to apply this on my bottom. So I made this eye look way smokier than I thought I would, but I'm feeling it. Let me know what you guys are thinking down below. So next we're going to go in with a Vanity Planet brush, and we're going to go in with the shade Cream, which is the first white shade over here, and apply that on my inner corner. Lastly, for this makeup look, we're going to go in with an old BoxyCharm product, which I believe it's from the month of July. And this is the Alamar lip gloss in the shade Coqueta. Again, you guys, if you remember that video, that lip gloss is literally my favorite. I've been using it ever since, like, as my go-to. I love it so much. Okay guys, so that concludes the makeup portion of this review. I used all the BoxyCharm products from September, which were the brushes, the eyeliner, the brow pen, and the eyeshadow palette, which I am obsessed with. Let me know what you guys think as to what I did in regards to the makeup look. I'm feeling it very much so. But there is one more product that we have yet to review, and that is an overnight product, which is this product right here. It is the Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. So I'm going to read you guys the instructions as to how you apply it and what they recommend. So it says, a hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. And this retails for $52. So I think that's amazing that we were able to get this in this BoxyCharm. So the instructions as to how to apply it, it basically says apply mask to clean, dry skin before bedtime, do not rinse, and use nightly. So I guess it's kind of like a moisturizer, and that is what we're going to do. I'm going to apply this mask after I wash all this makeup off, after putting in all the hard work. I'm going to put the mask on, go to sleep, and then I'll catch up with you guys in the morning. Alright guys, I am back with a nice clean face. Of course, after some pictures, after that makeup look and that hard work, how could I not take some pictures? Again, let me know if you guys like that makeup look down below. I would really appreciate it. So next, we're going to go in with the fifth and final product from the BoxyCharm of September, and that is this recovery sleeping mask from Dr. Brandt. So I'm going to apply this on my face, and it seems to be like more of like a moisturizer consistency. I mean, I don't know, but that's what I'm going to assume, just because it says do not rinse at all. And if it's really like a clay mask or a sheet mask, you would assume that you'd have to take it off right away, because I mean, you're not going to walk around the entire day with that type of texture. So I'm assuming that it is a moisturizer. So yes, it is a moisturizing. So the smell is a familiar scent. Like if you guys go to the doctor's or the dentist's office often, then you may get that same feeling when it comes to the scent. So now that this mask is on, it actually feels really nice. It feels super hydrating, and I'm looking forward to see how it feels the next morning, which I will catch up with you guys literally tomorrow morning. Once I wake up, I'm going to press record, and I'm going to hit you guys up with a reaction as to how I feel about this mask. But first impressions about it, I absolutely love it, and it's super hydrating, and I'm looking forward, like I literally just said. Good morning guys. So it is officially the next morning after putting on that mask, and my skin feels super duper soft. I did not rinse it off at all, but it definitely feels like a moisturizer consistency. So I would say apply it with your hands if you wanted to, like you normally would with a moisturizer. I applied it with a brush, and I really like it. I do plan on putting it on again tonight. But yeah, that concludes today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up. If you liked my makeup look from before, then also give me a thumbs up, as well as comment down below to let me know. And if you guys are new to my channel, then please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. That way you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.